Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the fourth part of my luxury collection videos and my third unboxing. And I picked this up actually last night, December 6th, 2020. And I went back to the Somerset Mall, to the Louis Vuitton inside of the Saks Fifth Avenue department store. And I made this purchase. There's a lot of reasons to why I made this purchase, and I think that when I was there, I actually discovered I could use it for like a dual purpose, and I was actually really excited about that. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you what I purchased here. This is so cute. It has the Christmas wrapping on it. And like the bag and the little card, but it's actually not one of the Christmas collections. They've had these out for quite some time. This is so cute. So with the new year coming up, 2020, I have a Erin Condren planner, and I love it. My daughter purchased it for me and gifted it to me, and I absolutely love it. However, though, it only goes to December. And after that, I could get another one, but actually I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top of the planner and actually frame it, because she made pictures of her and I all over it, so it's really cute, and I actually want to use it on my wall. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I needed another planner for 2020, so I called Raquel, my SA at the Troy Somerset Louis Vuitton, and I was looking at the the PM agenda and the MM agenda. I thought for just a little bit that the MM would work well for me, but after going to the store and actually looking at both of them, it looked like the actual one that would work the best was the PM. So, here you go, and this is it. I thought this was so cute. I purchased it in the Damier Ebene, and it's perfect size. I had one of these around, I don't know, about 20 years ago when I first started getting into Louis Vuitton, and it looked like it was a little bit smaller. But now that I'm looking at this, it actually looks a little bigger. I don't remember it being this big for a PM. So it was, like I said, when I first went there, it was like, well, do I want the MM or the GM? I'm sorry, the MM or the PM? And then do I want the monogram or the Damier Ebene? So this time I would like to keep my wallet in my purse, because I like to check dates and things like that, and I keep my work schedule in here. And I do use my phone a lot, but I thought, I kind of need something for like doctor's appointments, hair appointments, where you put cards and things like that. And just because I kind of keep my paper schedule on me as well, because it's kind of easier to see as opposed to pulling it up on my phone. And then when I got into the store and I was looking at this, I'm like, oh, I didn't realize. This has 1, 2, 3 card slots, and an area here and an area here as well. I thought this is absolutely perfect, because in last, I think it was April, I purchased a crossbody from Louis Vuitton, the same store. I actually did a unboxing on it. It was so cute. It was the South Bank Versace, and I didn't have a matching wallet, and I don't have, like I said, other than my license and a credit card or two and a little bit of cash, I don't really carry much on me. So I think this is going to work for like a dual purpose, and it's going to be absolutely perfect. I think this is so cute. I just love this print. This is going to work well in my purse. Like I said, it's going to have enough room. I did order a insert from Etsy, and I actually ordered a packet for 2020. I thought it was really cute, and we'll see when it comes in. I'm going to actually do a review on this and show you how I set it up. But yet another idea I have, and I think this is so cute. This was, I didn't think it was a bad price either. It retailed for $365. And then when all was said and done, let's see, what was the final price here? It was, let's see, $386.90. I just thought that was so cute. And this, like I said, is going to serve a dual purpose. And I think it's really cute. I'm very happy with it. I do love this print a lot too. I kind of go back and forth. I like both prints, but like I said, I have the South Bank Passage, and I think this would be perfect for it. So as soon as I get the calendar inserts, I will do how I set it up, a video on how I set it up for you. I'm really, really happy with this, and like I said, I cannot wait to use this. I am so excited, and I'll tell you how it works out. Like I said, the MM was really cute. When I looked at the MM, I thought it looked better in the monogram, and when I looked at the PM, it looked better in the Damier Ebene. That's just my opinion, of course. And but yeah, it's so cute. So as soon as I get the calendar inserts, I'll show you how I set it up, and you can look forward to that video. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm really enjoying these videos, as I keep saying. So okay, I have the last video coming soon. Talk to you later. Bye.